My wonderful people, things is really happening. Any day you wake up, thank God for your life that day. Look at these Igbos who travel to Cambodia to make a living in Cambodia. Today, they are burying them in mass. Not that they die one day. Things are really happening. I'm going to bring some videos and show you. You will learn something from this video. You that is traveling out and you that is already in outside country, just watch this video and listen carefully everything they will say in this video and see how these 5 young Igbos died in another man's land and buried in another man's land. Watch the videos.
So I know Lizo Munai, Mufofa. So I ain't trying to grave side now. Burial kind of.
Iwe gị dị ọkụ dajụọ ụzọ ya abịa iti gị ha atọ na mba anyị gbalụ mbọ anyị ụmụnne gị gbalụ mbọ wee fụ n'ụlọ bụrụ obi zuru ike anyị asụkwara mgbakọ ụnụ na-akpa anyị na-asị biko dododo unu kwadozi ya anyị emere n'oke anyị ka a ji wụrụ mmadụ maka oke ụgwọ anyị ji unu bụ ime unu ka ya mkpụrụ obi zuru ike.
Yeah, good day, my brothers. I saw this comment on my TikTok, so I decided to reply this comment. Brother, this video I posted concerning our brother that died in this Cambodia, there's nothing much. These are our brother who died last 5 years ago, some died 7 years ago. But their family doesn't have money to repatriate them back, sending them back to Nigeria. So they have stayed long. We, the Igbos, we had a meeting. We concluded within ourselves to contribute money and bury them here because it's not good when you have many corpses in the mortuary. We still have more corpses there. So gradually we'll be doing things, for the favor. We love Igbos. We love ourselves. That is it. Thank you very much. My brothers and sisters, sorry for late reply. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. The reason why I did not reply yesterday, I was so busy, that is why I did not reply yesterday. But today I decided to reply this comment. Yes, brotherly, Igbos na isi dika na atọ na mba ezoku ka ekwuru, but the main important thing is that you see this our brothers here that died in this country. Yes, when they were sick, we the Igbos were the one 5 years ago, 7 years ago. We are still the one that took them to the hospital. We have our Igbo Union. We have a contribution we make in Igbo Union to take care of every sick people here. But we took care of them, but the ones that survive, glory be to God, the ones that did not survive their sickness, most of them, they diagnosed them for kidney and different things, both heart failures, But when they gave up to the ghosts, I don't know, we called the family, because all of them has family. But the family gave us permission to bury them here, that they could not be, most of them has property home. Some has a landed property. Some even build houses that they can even sell one to make them come. How much is one person? One cup. One cup back to Nigeria is $10,000, one cup. When you are alive, it's very easy. If you don't have visa in this country, if you want to go back, you can go back with $3,000, $2,500, $3,000, can go back your home. But if the person eventually died here, one cup now $10,000, and we buried 5 cups. Now 5 people will bury you. We still have more in the mortuary. We call the family. They say we should bury them here because the reason they're thinking of how they can, even to contribute, we are ready to pay half of the money to take each one home. But the family refused to even sell one land or sell 2 land to send money so we can be able to bring their. We sent not only this one, Brother, this year alone, do you know how many people we send home? Do you know how many cops we send home? There's one of our brother who fell down one certain day like that. He fell down and died. We took that one home. He died, I think, this year February, or I think if it's this year February or March, within the March, we took him home. Their family sold his land, some of the land, sent money. We contributed as Igbo. We added the money and sent him back home. You understand, my people? It's not that we Igbo doesn't want to do things like that. We are trying our best, but it's not easy. In this Cambodia, one cup is $10,000. You know, they use dollar here. They use US dollar, not or that their currency here is US dollar. That's what they are using in this country. So things are very expensive, and not even expensive, but the family doesn't want to help. What do you want us to do? They gave us permission to bury them here and send some of their particles home, and we send. Some requested for fingernails, some requested for hair. We send home, but we bury them here because it's not good to we the Igbos. Do you think it's only Igbo corpse in the go to the Cambodian mortuary? Both different nationalities, they abandon their corpse there. But we Igbo, we don't do that. This is our brother. This is our own. This is our own. So we don't leave our things in another man's land. That is why we decided to bury them so they can rest in peace. We still have new corpse that is there, which is we are contemplating if we can send them back home or bury them here. Whatever their people decided, that's what we will do. We are not the family. When the family decided that we should do something like that, this is what they gave us permission to do. We the Igbo, we try our best not to do that, but they said they cannot send money. And 5 cups is $50,000. 5 cups. This is 5, 10, 15, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50,000 because each cup is $10,000. So, brother, you should understand that we Igbos, we are trying for ourselves. If you are sick here, you don't have money to take care of yourself, Igbo people will take care of you. Many people that is in this country who has nothing doing, but this country gave everybody the opportunity to work. Yes, there's good work here. Even there's Chinese work here, there's a teaching job here. If you want to do business, there's business going on here, very good. But some of our lazy brother who doesn't want to do, most of them here in the street, even we Igbos, we still help them. Make sure they are okay. That is why you see most of them here, when you stay here 1 year, 2 years, you will be comfortable because you will see people that will still connect you, give you businesses to do. I rest my case, my brothers. Please, pardon my late reply yesterday, please. Thank you.
When you are still alive, you have the opportunity to position yourself where you will be tomorrow, so that if you are no more, where you can't speak for yourself, I think you are sure of people that will speak for you. Please do things right. If you travel to any country, please try to avoid some certain things so that you can be able to come back with your own life. I beg you, anything you can do to save yourself, do it. Please share this video.